Hello everybody, so this is my end of year message to you all. So as acting principal of Whitley Academy, I wanted to congratulate you all on a fantastic year. It's been extremely challenging at times, it's been very different, but you've all coped extremely well with those challenges that we've all faced. You've continued to work incredibly hard, you've demonstrated what an asset you are to the school and to the local community. All of the staff at Whitley are incredibly proud of what you achieve on a day-to-day basis. So please make sure that you do have that well-earned break, enjoy your holiday, come back in September ready to learn and to be the best you can be. We look forward to seeing you in September. Bye for now.
Welcome to our end of year assembly. We have seen so many of you demonstrate our school values through lockdown. High aspirations have been shown through us becoming better at engaging with learning at home and becoming more organised with your homework. Mental security have been shown through your resilience during lockdown and your determination to keep working without a teacher in the room to help you. Community-minded, we have all seen how you've helped family and friends and the surrounding community. Lots of you have helped making cakes for neighbours, designing postcards for care homes. We are extremely proud of all you've achieved during lockdown. There will be some major changes in September for all students and staff. Firstly, the school will no longer allow mobile phones to be seen on site. This includes break and lunch times. The reason for this is to reduce online bullying, increase ability to socialise with each other and improve concentration in lessons. There will be a new one-way system in corridors, which Year 10 have already experienced during their time in school. This will ensure the corridors are less busy and feel safer to move around. Finally, tutor time will be in the morning for everyone and will give us the opportunity to be ready to learn. It's really important that you have a restful holiday, but you shouldn't get out the habit of doing work at home, as it's a really important skill. The Whitley Home Learning menu will be saved on the website on the Home Learning page for you to look at, and we want you to take photos of yourselves doing some of the activities so we can put this onto our website. My favourite homework meal would be a tweet and sour, followed by Foo Young Facebook, and for dessert, an audit ice cream. I hope you've all looked at the rewards assembly that's on our school website, and congratulations to all those that have received a reward. From all the staff at Whitley and myself, we really hope you have a safe summer holiday. We've been ever so proud of the way that you've engaged with the schoolwork during lockdown. We are really looking forward to seeing you back in school in September.